Folks, just a reminder that the Orionid's meteor shower peaks tonight. If you're up this late, might as well stay up a little later, right? Best times after about 2 in the morning. Go out and look up in the sky, and you'll see as many as 80 shooting stars or meteors per hour. That's a little more than one a minute, one every 45, 50 seconds, something like that. But you want to get away from city lights, get out someplace really dark. But even at that, you may be able to see a few even in town. So check it out. Again, you can go out now and see some after the newscast, but wait till after midnight, even better. Temperatures across the valley tonight, all in the 70s. Cool in Raymondville and Harlingen at 72. Everybody else above that. And Future Track says we go nowhere overnight. Temperatures hold in the low 70s all night long, and during the daytime tomorrow, yeah, it's hot again. It's October. We're still looking at temperatures in the 90s tomorrow. This is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Go through the evening, we fall through the 80s, and by Sunday morning, we're in the 70s again. Mid-70s to start the day on Sunday, but by afternoon, notice 3 o'clock, we're showing temperatures around 90. Then watch what happens. By 5 o'clock, we drop off 5 to 7 degrees. That's a sign of the front coming through. And then by Monday morning, you'll see the big difference when we're down 60 or below in many places. So much cooler start to the day on Monday, and then highs work to get back in the 80s on Monday afternoon. Normal high for this time of year starting tomorrow is 66 actually, or 86 rather. And so you see we stay above that even after the front. But then a second push of cool air on Wednesday drops us down to 82 for a high, and then we climb right back above it, and yet another front likely about Friday of next week. So here comes front number 1. This one in Texas tomorrow, continues pushing southward, triggers some big thunderstorms north of us, isolated showers here when the front comes through on Sunday. I think there'll be some rain, but I don't think everybody gets it, so it's going to be hit and miss kind of thing. Once the front goes through, dry air builds in. There's a second surge of cool air coming into Texas middle of the week, so that'll push in and just kind of reinforce the air that's here, keeping it cool into Wednesday and Thursday. And then by the time we get to Friday, yet another front shows up on the map. Wait for it. There it is. That'll bring another push of dry air in by next weekend. As far as a close-up in the valley, this is what we look at. Tomorrow, a lot of sunshine, patchy clouds, nothing more than that. And then Sunday, here comes the front, midday or so. With the front, a few showers. Behind the front, we dry out, set the stage for some pretty nice weather for early next week. Rain chances peak on Sunday at 30%. After that, we're dry until at least Thursday and probably Friday as well. Some of the long-range models hint at a couple of showers on Friday with that next front. We'll get a better look at that next week. Partly cloudy and warm tonight, a low of 73, and tomorrow back up to 91, warm and humid. The next 7 days, we keep in the 90s till Sunday. Then we just kind of work it down just a little bit early next week. But look at the nighttime lows. That means your evenings and mornings will just be delightful, and during the day, sunshine, low humidity. Looks like some pretty nice weather. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.